Good morning, my dear children. You are the students of 5th standard. Do you know the first unit in the 5th standard English textbook? I think you know the first unit. That is, the mirror is the first unit in your English textbook. Today, we are going to learn the second activity from your English textbook. The mirror is the first unit in your English textbook. The mirror is a good story. It is an interesting story. The story of a fisherman and his wife. One day, the fisherman got a mirror from the seashore and he looked in it and saw a face in it. He thought that it was his father. He gave the mirror to his wife and she looked at it and saw a face in it. She thought that it was her mother. There was a quarrel between fisherman and his wife for the mirror. Finally, the mirror fell down and broke into pieces. There, we wrote a conversation between the fisherman and his wife. ഫിഷർമാനും ഭാര്യയും തമ്മിലുള്ള കോൺവെർസേഷൻ, സംഭാഷണം നമ്മൾ എഴുതിയതാണ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ യുവർ നോട്ട്ബുക്ക്. അത് നിങ്ങളുടെ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിലുണ്ട്. Therefore, the first activity we have done was the writing conversation between fisherman and his wife. That is in your notebook. But in English textbook, in the first unit, there are many activities besides writing conversation. Another activity is enacting the whole story in the form of a skit. That is the presenting the whole story. That is the story means the mirror. Presenting the whole story in the form of a skit is another activity given in your textbook. And what we can do in presenting a skit, a script is needed and the presentation is necessary and the evaluation of skit is necessary and sharing the experience of presenting the skit. All these we have to done. But these are group activities. But individually we can do only one thing, that is writing the script. Here our activity is writing the script for presenting the skit based on the story, The Mirror. So, please children, are you ready to listen? Are you ready to watch? Or do you like to watch a skit? Before preparing the script, for the presentation of the skit and watch a skit, a simple skit from YouTube and watch it thoroughly and find out what are the events in that skit and who are the characters and what is the location and what are the dialogues of the character. All these things you should find out from the skit. So the preparation of a skit needs all these things. That is preparing script, presenting, evaluation and sharing experience. All these things we have to do. But these things we can't do individually. All these are group activity, but individually we can prepare the script. That is our activity. Please go through your textbook and that means go through the story, the first story, the mirror, 2 or 3 times. And then find out what are the main events. What is an event? Events are those that lead the story forward. Find out the main events and write in your notebook. Find out the main events from the story, the mirror, and take your notebook and write it in your notebook. Yes, the events are there, and now you find out the main events from the story, the mirror. Then again go through the story and read 1 or 2 times and find out what are the locations of. Location here means where does the story happen. The place where the story happens, that is the location. And try to find out the locations, the main locations. That means the place where the story happens. And take a notebook and write all these things in your notebook. Then another one you have to do is again go through the story, the mirror, and find out who are the main characters. There are many characters in the story, and find out these characters and their dialogues. What do they say? That is the dialogue. And find out all the main characters from the story, the mirror, and find out the dialogues from the story and write all these things in your notebook. Now, in your notebook, main events are there. The location is there. Who are the main characters? And their dialogues. All these things are in your notebook. ഇപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ ദ മിറർ എന്ന കഥയുടെ പ്രധാന സംഭവങ്ങളും ആ കഥ നടക്കുന്ന പ്ലേസും ലൊക്കേഷനും കഥാപാത്രങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞ ഡയലോഗ്സും നിങ്ങളുടെ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിലുണ്ട്. ഇത് വെച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ ഒരു സ്കിറ്റിനാവശ്യമായ സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് തയ്യാറാക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. Yes. You know the story very well, the mirror. Now, you know something more than that. What are the events in the story? You know. And where do the events take place? That is also in your notebook. Who are the characters in the story, The Mirror? What do they say? All these things are in your notebook. But they say, while writing the script for the presentation of a skit, you should remember something. One is, you must bear in mind what is the difference between a conversation and a skit. Conversation, നാലാം ക്ലാസ്സിലും മറ്റ് ചെറിയ ക്ലാസ്സിലും പഠിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. Conversation is the dialogues. There is only dialogues between two persons. But in a skit, it's a new activity in the 5th standard. And how can we prepare the how can we prepare a script for the presentation of a skit? There is a difference between the conversation and the skit. What is the main difference? In a conversation, there is only dialogues. But in a skit, the dialogues and actions are needed. So, while writing the script for the presentation of a skit, you should write the actions of characters within the brackets. In that way, we can write the script for the presentation of a skit. Now, all of you are ready to write the script for the presentation of the story, The Mirror. Yes, I think that all of you are ready to write. You are able to write now because you have some idea in your mind, that is what are the events and where do the events take place and who are the main characters and what do they say. All these things you know. So I think that you are able to write the script for the presentation of a skit, The Mirror. And again remember, you have to prepare only the script individually. The presentation of skit is a group activity, and the evaluation of a skit is a group activity, and the sharing the experience of presenting the skit is a group activity. But now we can do only one thing, that is, you may write only the script of for presenting the skit, The Mirror. You are ready? You are able to write please take a notebook and write the script for the presentation of a skit based on the story, The Mirror. So the script is ready. You know the presentation is not possible. It is a group activity. It is a classroom activity, isn't it? So it is possible only in the class. And we may conclude the presentation of skit and the evaluation of skit and sharing the experience of presenting skit, etc. are possible only when the school opens. It is possible in group. It is a group activity, and so we hope to reopen our schools immediately after defeating COVID-19 from the world. Once again, thank you for my listeners.